Hello dear students, how are you all? Hope so you all are fine and well. So yes students, as in the previous video we have learned about adverbs and kinds of adverbs, and also we have completed one of the exercise regarding that kind of adverbs. So today we are going to learn the next exercise. What is the next exercise? Identify the kind of underlined adverbs in the sentences. पहले वाले में हमें सिर्फ पहले एक्सरसाइज में वी हैव टू अंडरलाइन द एडवर्ब्स, एंड नाउ इन दिस एक्सरसाइज वी हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई द एडवर्ब्स विच आर ऑलरेडी बीन अंडरलाइन. सो यस, लेट अस सी द फर्स्ट वन. सो स्टार्टिंग विद द फर्स्ट, दैट इज ही ऑलवेज गॉबल्स हिज फूड. तो यहाँ पे ऑलवेज क्या है? ऑलवेज इज एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी. The second one, she drew the diagram neatly. Neatly, what is neatly? Neatly here it is adverb of manner. Now third one, let us discuss the situation immediately. ये immediately क्या है? Immediately मतलब कि time बताता है. So here it is adverb of time. The fourth one, I will remind you often about your responsibility. अच्छा, यहाँ पे ऑफन क्या है? ये फ्रीक्वेंसी बताता है. ऑफन इट शोज द फ्रीक्वेंसी. सो द फोर्थ वन इज एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी. नाउ फिफ्थ वन, गो अपस्टेयर, यू विल फाइंड योर गिफ्ट ऑन द बेड. अपस्टेयर मतलब ऊपर जाओ, आप सीढ़ियों से चढ़ के ऊपर जाओ ऐसे. तो अपस्टेयर ये क्या है? ये एक जगह है, प्लेस. यहाँ पे प्लेस डिस्क्राइब करते हैं. सो फिफ्थ वन इट इज adverb of place. Sixth one, I will finish my work soon. ये soon यहाँ पे क्या डिस्क्राइब करता है? soon it describes time. यहाँ पे कोई टाइम डिस्क्राइब करता है, मतलब कि soon जल्दी. तो ये क्या डिस्क्राइब करता है? टाइम. सो द सिक्स्थ वन इज एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम. नाउ सेवेंथ वन, she recited the poem clearly. She recited the poem clearly. अगेन क्लियरली क्या है? इट्स एन एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर. एट्थ वन, द सिचुएशन इज मच बेटर नाउ. यहाँ पे मच क्या है? मच हियर डिग्री बताता है. क्या बताता है? डिग्री बताता है. मच, मोर, ये सब क्या बताते हैं? डिग्री बताते हैं. सो द सिचुएशन इज मच बेटर नाउ. मच यहाँ पे क्या बताता है? एडवर्ब ऑफ डिग्री. और अगर यहाँ पे नाउ में अंडरलाइन होता तो नाउ क्या बताता है? टाइम बताता ना. तो यहाँ पे अंडरलाइन नहीं किया हुआ है, लेकिन अगर होता तो नाउ क्या है? एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम. नाउ नाइन्थ वन वी आर हैविंग हियर, दैट इज द लिटिल लैम्ब फॉलोड बाय मैरी एवरीवेयर. एवरीवेयर मतलब जगह दिखा रहा है. एवरीवेयर मतलब यहाँ पे प्लेस इज डिस्क्राइब. So the little lamb followed by Mary everywhere. So everywhere here place is described. So it is adverb of place. Now the 10th one, I seldom go out after dark. Seldom मतलब कि कभी कभार. Seldom मतलब कि कभी कभार. तो ये क्या हो गया? Adverb of frequency. What does it shows? It seldom shows that it's an adverb of frequency. So the 11th one, the little puppy slept peacefully on the blanket. The little puppy slept peacefully. यहाँ पे peacefully क्या दिखाता है? It shows adverb of manner. It shows adverb of manner. The 12th one, the leader was fully aware of the dangerous. यहाँ पे fully क्या बताता है? डिग्री बताता है. What does this fully shows? What does it describe? It describes, fully describes here adverb of degree. So the 12th one is adverb of degree. Now 13th one, the little girl reached school late. Again late, it shows the time. So 13th one is adverb of time. Late मतलब क्या दिखा रहा है यहाँ पे? It shows time. Late, early. What does it shows? It shows time. The 14th one, sit here. Here again it is a description of place. So 14th one, sit here, is adverb of place. Sit here is adverb of place. 15th one, the thief entered the house stealthily. Stealthily मतलब के चुपके चुपके, तो ये क्या हो गया, इट शोज एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर. द थीफ एंटर्ड द हाउस स्टेल्थली, ये स्टेल्थली मतलब कि चुपके चुपके. ओके, सो हियर इट इज एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर. होप सो यू आर क्लियर विद दिस 15th of these blanks. So please students, do note down in your grammar book or in your notebook so that you can get clear in exams. Now let us move on through exercise 3. Now what does this exercise 3 says? That in this exercise 3 we have to rewrite the sentences using adverbs in bracket. In third exercise we have to rewrite the sentences using the adverbs which are given in the bracket. So let us see the first one. The first one given over here, it is, this assignment is difficult extremely. अब ये जो extremely हमें दिया गया है, we have to use this adverb extremely and we have to rewrite the sentence. So using this adverb, let us rewrite the sentence. This assignment is extremely difficult. This assignment is extremely difficult. Second one, Mohan is late for class, and in the bracket we are having rarely. We are having the adverb rarely. So let us use this adverb. Mohan is rarely late for school. मोहन कभी कभार ही स्कूल के लिए लेट होता है. थर्ड वन, the young girl reached home late. The young girl reached home late is given in the bracket. So let us rewrite it. The young girl reached home late. मतलब जो young girl है वो घर पे लेट पहुँचे. The fourth one, Mary put the books into her bag and left, bracket में है quickly. Mary put the books into her bag and left, in bracket we are having adverb quickly. So the sentence, Mary quickly put the books into her bag and left. Mary quickly, using the adverb given in the bracket, Mary quickly put the books into her bag and left. This sentence we can also write in another way. The second way we can write this sentence, that is, quickly Mary put the books into her bag and left. Quickly we can write it in the beginning also, as we have learned during the explanation when I was explaining you about adverb and kind of adverbs. I have told you that we can use adverb in between, beginning or at the end. So here I have written quickly in the between, but you can write it as quickly Mary put the books into her bag and left, and also we can write it Mary put the books into her bag and left quickly. As you feel easy, you can write. From these three ways you can write. Now fifth one we are having, that is, come your father is waiting. In bracket we are having soon and outside both. So we have to use both the adverbs. Soon and outside, both the adverbs we have to use in this sentence. So let us use it. Come soon, your father is waiting outside. How we will use it? Come soon, your father is waiting outside. So we have to write come soon, your father is waiting outside. Hope so you are clear with this 5 of these sentences. Let us go for another one. Sixth, Mohini's grandmother is sick and goes out. In bracket we are having seldom. Again, Mohini's grandmother is sick and goes out seldom. Seldom मतलब कि कभी कभार. So how we will rewrite it? Mohini's grandmother is sick and seldom she goes out. Mohini's grandmother is sick and seldom goes out. मतलब कि मोहिनी के grandmother is sick, मतलब कि वो ठीक नहीं और वो seldom मतलब कभी कभार goes out मतलब कि बाहर जाते हैं. Now 7th one, Amar plays football well. Amar plays football well. In bracket we are having quite. So let us rewrite it. Amar plays football quite well. Amar plays football quite well. Clear? 8th one. The musician walked out the hall angrily. Musician walked out of the hall. In bracket we are having angrily. So how we will rewrite it? The musician walked out of the hall angrily. Is it clear? The musician walked out of the hall angrily. 9th one, we went for a movie. In bracket we are having yesterday. So how we will use it? We went for a movie yesterday. We went for a movie yesterday. The last one, the thief put the valuables into his bag. In bracket we are having quietly. Again the 10th one, the thief put the valuables into his bag quietly. So how we will rewrite the sentence? The thief quietly put the valuables into his bag. The thief quietly put the valuables into his bag. मतलब कि चोर ने धीरे धीरे से जो कीमती चीज़ें या ज़ेवरात थी वो अपने बैग में डाली. Hope so you are clear with this exercise 2 and exercise 3 and also it's easy for you. So please students, do note down in your grammar book or in your notebook and please listen it carefully. I hope these two exercises are very easy, exercise 2 and 3, because if you have heard the explanation and exercise 1, then this second and third exercise is very easy for you. So again saying, please note down this exercise 1, 2 and 3 in your notebook and hope you are clear with this topic, adverb and kind of adverbs. So till that, stay healthy and happy at home. So thank you.